Hello my YouTube brothers, how's everything going tonight? I'm watching Isaiah's video, but I wanted to make this one. This is the Ruud Rheem brand control board. Remember the compressor I done the other day, the defrost mode, I went to check it, the fan wouldn't quit. This relay right here has went bad on it, so, and then what it does when it kicks into defrost mode, it stops power from flowing from here to here. And when it kicked into defrost mode, it just kept running, so we know this relay is stuck, closed, thus the fan keeps running, thus this board's got to be changed. So I figured while I had it, I don't think there's any of the newer type board, how they operate, so I figured I'd make it. We'll go step by step here on what we got. The first part is where our low voltage will come in. We'll have our common. Get it to focus better. Our red, power. D, they should label that W. That's our white wire, or brown sometimes, for auxiliary backup heat. When this goes into defrost, it brings the strips on. B is O, orange, that's going to be our reversing valve. Always go with O like Zach. And Y coming in is a signal to the compressor. You'll also notice I went ahead and plugged in the two wires that it comes with. The smaller plug there is for this. This is just a ambient temperature sensor. It just basically lets the board know what the ambient outdoor temperature is. Pretty basic. It's a two-prong. I'll go ahead and unplug it so you can see what that plug looks like. I don't know why this ain't focusing. And then you have the coil sensor that plugs in here above the outdoor temperature sensor. And it looks like this. Now this is not a normally open or closing, either closed or open switch. This is a thermistor, meaning that it will have a certain amount of resistance depending on the temperature. Thus, if it's 30 degrees out, it may have 5 ohms, or if it's 60 out, it may have 20 ohms. So it's not a simple open close. There's what that plug looks like. Here we have a switch, 1 or 0. I put both of mine to 0 because that means you can see right here it tells you what different settings are. I have it 0, which is 80, so the coil must sense that the defrost pipe temperature is 80 degrees before it kicks out. That way you know you got all your ice defrost. We look here at the top, we have our reversing valve hookup, 24 volts, and the common be the 2 reversing valve. LPC, low pressure control, a high pressure control, 2, and then our Y going to our contactor and our contactor common. Right here is the way we test. We will take a screwdriver and connect these 2 pins, and that will should make the board go into defrost, depending on temperature. This has the demand defrost. But anyways, that is the Ruud Rheem defrost control board. Also, I had mentioned about sanding sponges in my last video. Here they are. I've got these both for $1.29, believe it or not. And fellas, these things are going to last you a while. Better than spending, you know, $1 or something on a piece of sanding cloth you're going to use one time and throw away. There ain't no sense in it. Get you a couple of these for $1.29. Even if you use it 3 times, that's still better than one piece of sanding, you know. Well, anyways, hope everyone's doing well tonight, and I'll catch you on the flip side.